Hey y'all, I'm Paula Deen, and happy Thanksgiving to you and yours. My boys are going to be fixing up a Southern favorite, fried green bean bundles. Y'all, it's Thanksgiving Day, and do you guys know what I would rather be doing than cooking in the rain?
No, what?
Nothing.
It's really nice, isn't it?
I love to cook in the rain. In fact, I could do a whole week's worth of cooking if it rains on me. And Jamie and I are going to start dropping these green bean bundles because we want this to be the last thing. All right, now, Jamie, I want to show you how I do these.
Show me how you do it, Mom.
Okay, I've got flour here. I'm going to put just some house seasoning in that flour. Now, we're going to pour our buttermilk in here. And I have green onion, but I have blanched it to make it flexible. So all you have to do is gather you up about 5 green beans. Are your hands too big?
A little bit.
And I'll tell you another trick. If you don't like green beans, asparagus bundles are delicious too, deep fried. And all you have to do is give somebody just one bundle and some roasted new potatoes and a thick char-grilled ribeye, and it's a meal fit for a king.
You try to give me and Bobby just one of these and see what happens. Let me rinse my hands.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna drop these in.
What are you doing
hot.
this
I'm
now?
frying it on 350. If you wanted to put a basket in there, that would work well too, and then you could just lift them out.
How long are you cooking these? Just long enough to roll them around for a few minutes?
Just a light brown. And you really want to make sure that your grease is not too hot.
You want me to take these to the table?
Yeah, you can go ahead and start bowling those up.
You can trust me not to eat them till y'all are ready.
Well, it's finally time to eat this fabulous Thanksgiving meal, and I've got some of my family gathered here with me. It's wonderful sharing a meal with Jamie and Bobby and Michael and the green bean bundles. Doesn't it look good, y'all? We try to live every day like it's Thanksgiving because my family and I have so much to be thankful for. So the Deen Groover family would love to send to y'all best dishes, hugs and kisses from our Thanksgiving table to yours.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.